Good morning. So this tutorial is for if you are having issues with the reading assignment marking as complete. This won't apply to everyone, but I am having a few students say that as they complete the reading assignments, that it's not showing their progress change. So there is a glitch going on with the OLS. And for the time being, if you cannot get them to mark complete, you still need to do them and read them. But what you can do is you're going to go up here to the feedback tab right here at the top of our home page. You're going to click that. And when you click on feedback right here, it's going to take you to a form where you will then fill it out and submit a work order or a troubleshooting order basically to the technology department about what's going on, and hopefully we'll get this glitch fixed soon. Have a great day.